OneSearch is a new tool at the Contra Costa College Library which allows you to search across most of what the library has, both in print and online. This video will show you how to use OneSearch to find books and ebooks on a particular topic. Start at the homepage of the CCC Library. Enter the topic you are searching for in the search box. Because we're searching almost everything that the library has at once, we are going to get a lot of search results, including different kinds of sources, research starters, background sources, articles, as well as books. You can use the checkboxes on the left to filter down to just what you're looking for, in this case, a physical book that's actually in the library. Now we're going to see both books and ebooks only. Books have one kind of icon and ebooks have another. Ebooks will also say electronic resource in the title. To access an ebook, simply click on the title. This will let you browse through the book page by page, or you can download chapters or portions of the book on your computer or other device. As you scroll down the list, you'll notice that all of the books have call numbers. In the case of physical books, this acts like the book's address on the shelf. Make sure to write down that number and take it with you when you go to look for your book on the shelf. Good luck finding your book! Remember, if you have questions about finding books in the library or using OneSearch or anything else, you can always ask a librarian. We are available in person at the reference desk in the CCC Library when the library is open, or you can reach us online via our chat service, which is 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We're here for you.